Scrubbing a dirty grill by hand is one of my least favorite parts of grilling. So when I found this cordless electric grill brush, I couldn't wait to see if it actually made cleaning easier. Stick around until the end because I'll share one thing I didn't love about it. I'm going to share some things that are hot about this product and one thing I didn't really love. What's hot? It saves your arms and wrists. The powerful cordless motor does most of the hard work for you, so you're not spending forever scrubbing stubborn grease and burnt on food by hand. What's hot? It has a built-in scraper and it's serrated, so it tackles like all that baked on residue and reaches into the corners and between the grill grates where regular brushes can't really reach. It has 2 speeds you can choose. So if it's just a light cleanup, you'll do the lower speed, and if it's more heavy duty, do the higher speed. And here's what it sounds like. That's low speed, and that's high speed. What's hot? It has plenty of battery power for cleaning your entire grill on a single charge, and the LED display lets you know exactly how much battery is left. What's hot? It's safe for multiple grill types. Whether you have stainless steel, porcelain coated, or cast iron grates, this brush is designed to clean them safely. Now what's not so hot? It's a little bit on the heavy side, and it's bigger than your traditional grill brush. But look how disgusting this one is. Ew. Because it has a motor and rechargeable batteries right here, it's a little bit more bulky than a regular grill brush. The trade-off is that it does much more of the work for you and can make cleaning so much faster. This brush is removable right here, and you can add this on to use for a stovetop, so you can scrub your stovetop with this. It comes with gloves and an extra stovetop pad and a charging cable, USB-C. Okay, let's go use it on the grill. Okay, here we are with this automatic grill brush on my propane grill. Look how nice and clean this got it, and it's not even that dirty. I'm gonna go in the house and rinse it off. My stovetop is super gross, so please excuse the mess. So we need you. Okay, so the stovetop cleaner is on, and we're not gonna use this on the stove. We're just gonna use this. So I'm gonna get it a little wet, and then we will wash the stove. Here's how to take out the brush head. So you just turn this knob to unlock, pull out the knob, and then pull this out, and then pull this. If you're a griller like I am, you're gonna love this brush. It's gonna get your grill cleaner in less time. I love it, and I know you will too. Go grab yours today.